People per hour review. Can you still make money here? Today I'm going to show you whether you really can. People per hour is one of the longer running freelance platforms where businesses post projects and freelancers offer their services. It connects clients with skilled professionals in fields like design, writing, marketing, tech, and more. What makes it stand out is its hybrid model. Freelancers can apply for jobs, but they can also post offers, which are fixed price packages that clients can buy directly. This setup gives you two ways to earn: waiting for clients to reach out or actively promoting your own services. Getting started is easy. You create an account, complete your profile, and list your skills and hourly rates. The platform reviews new profiles before approval to keep the talent pool professional. Once approved, you can browse open projects and send proposals. Clients usually post detailed job descriptions and budgets, and you can customize your proposal to show how you'll handle their task. People per hour uses a credit system where each proposal costs a certain number of credits, and freelancers get a set amount for free every month. You can buy more if you want to apply to extra jobs. In terms of payment, the site uses a secure escrow system. When a client hires you, they deposit the project funds into escrow. That means your payment is protected. Once you deliver the work and it's approved, the money is released to your account. You can withdraw through PayPal, Pioneer, or direct bank transfer. However, People per hour does charge a service fee, which starts higher for new freelancers and lowers the more you earn from a specific client. While this means you don't keep 100% of your income, the protection and professional setup help ensure smoother transactions. Now, can you still make money here in 2025? The answer is yes, but competition is tighter. People per hour has a large user base, so standing out is key. Freelancers with strong profiles, clear portfolios, and positive reviews tend to attract more clients. Setting competitive rates and crafting detailed proposals also increases your chances. The platform remains active with new job posts daily, especially in creative and tech related fields. For beginners, small one off tasks can help you build credibility, and once you gain reviews, you'll start getting invites from clients directly. Overall, People per hour remains a legitimate and reliable way to earn online. It's not as fast paced as Fiverr or as corporate as Upwork, but it offers a balanced system that rewards skill and professionalism. If you're patient, consistent, and ready to learn how to market your services, you can absolutely make money here, especially if you focus on long term client relationships and delivering high quality work every time.